Alright guys, it is Thursday and we're working on a few different things at one time here, trying to get the space so I can get I should be getting the parts for the CUDA today or tomorrow, which we'll start putting in on Monday. We'll get all that done up, or Tuesday actually. Monday's a holiday. We'll get all that done up and get it all back together so I can finally almost deliver this thing. Now we'll just give it a couple of test drives and go with that. In the meantime, I'm working on this. We've got the metal fixed, all stripped down and primed. I'm gonna fill that so that doesn't show up. And we're also working on that. That's the second coat of clear after fixing the little nubbies on the trunk that I didn't like because I'm a pain in the butt. But it looks so much better. We'll keep you guys posted. Maybe I'll get some video of me spraying the car. That would be nice. Let's try that. And one of the other things we're just getting finished is the motor from the '68 Mustang. All painted, almost all back together. Come next week, we'll drop this motor in, finish the brakes, check the gas tank and a few other little things, and he'll be ready to go. Let's get back to putting at least another coat on that Thunderbird. Okay, looking pretty good. Nice shine. No imperfections. Might not even have to cut and buff this one. We will see. Alright guys, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.